Hello, welcome my wonderful viewers, my wonderful fans. Okay, today we have this integral problem, right? So we have this improper integral. Integral as s is going from 0 to infinity, 3x raised to the power of 2 all over 1 plus x raised to the power of 6 dx. So we are about to evaluate this. Okay, the question here is, how do we solve this problem? How can we solve this problem? Should we decompose the denominators into sums of partial fractions after the denominator has been factorized completely? That would be a long process. Let us have the idea that the derivative of x raised to the power of 3 is equal to 3x raised to the power of 2, right? So using this idea, we can see that up here we have 3x squared, and the derivative of x cubed gives this, which is up. Okay, which actually means that we are going to manipulate the bottom of this expression here, right? In order to obtain a similar expression involving x raised to the power of 3. And how do we do this? We use the idea that a raised to the power bc is the same as, in bracket, a raised to the power b close bracket raised to the power of c, right? Okay, now this actually means that x raised to the power of 6 is equal to x raised to the power 2 times 3, right? So we can write as x raised to the power of 3, then in brackets raised to the power of 2, right? Okay, that makes sense. Now let's go back to the problem. Here I'll be writing this integral as follows. Integral from 0 to infinity 3x raised to the power of 2 dx here, then all over. Down here we have 1 plus x raised to the power of 3 close bracket raised to the power of 2, right? Okay, now we can make a substitution here. So we can say let u equals x cubed. Now differentiating both sides, we get du is equal to 3x squared dx, and this is exactly what is up here. Wow, makes sense, right? Okay, now we're going to have this as integral. Remember our limit. Let's find out the new limits now. Here x is going from 0 to infinity, so substitute 0 here. That is, we have u equals 0 cubed, and that is 0, so u is actually going from 0 to infinity. Cubed is infinity, so u is also going to infinity. So up here, 3x squared dx, we can replace it with du, right? So we have du, then all over, what is left bottom there is 1 plus u raised to the power of 2, right? Okay, take a note that the integral of 1 over x squared plus a squared dx, this is a property. We need to know that this is equal to the tan inverse of x over a divided by a, then plus c. So this is a good property we need to consider here. So remember that this one here, we can write it as 1 squared, right? Then applying this property here, so we get this is equal to the tan inverse of u. Remember the limit is going from 0 to infinity. Now this is equal to imputing the boundaries, so we have tan inverse of the upper limit first, infinity, minus the tan inverse of the lower limit, 0, right? Okay, don't forget that the tan inverse of infinity is pi all over 2 minus the tan inverse of 0 is 0, and this gives pi all over 2, and that's the right answer. Thank you for viewing. Please do well to follow this page. Please and please like, comment and share. Please and please share this video. Thank you. Bye bye. See you in our next video.